Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make the number 0 visible in Microsoft Excel. In the spreadsheet on my screen, you'll see that there are a couple blanks for the number of sales leads for some of my salespeople. But if I click in those blanks, they're not actually blank. In the formula bar, we see the number 0. Or I could type 0 and press enter, and it's still not showing. This is actually a worksheet setting. And to fix this, I can go to File, Options, and click on Advanced. About 2/3 of the way down, I'll see options for the current workbook and the current worksheet. The current worksheet I was on was sales goals. And here is the option I want to enable. Show a 0 in cells that have a 0 value. So I'll select that checkbox and click OK. And now I actually see those 0 values. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to show 0 values in an Excel spreadsheet.